CZAR KAISER.
Hey guys, it's your boy CZAR KAISER, and today I'm gonna give a quick review on the new 2020 Ducati Panigale V2. The Panigale V2 is the newer version of the Panigale 959, and it's packing a lot of updates for a price tag of $16,500. It has a new design, a highly revised engine and chassis, and the latest suite of electronics. The Panigale V2 has a top speed of approximately 170 miles per hour, and thanks to a more comfortable rider seat and premium suspension setup, this bike offers better and safer sports performance, while making road riding more enjoyable and user-friendly. The 2020 Panigale V2 fills the middleweight role for Ducati's Superbike lineup. It aims to carry on Ducati's V-twin Superbike legacy while producing the most power ever from a midsize Panigale. The new V2 is a beefy yet compact bike of essential design with clear-cut lines that convey power. It promises to be a more refined and updated sport bike for the racetrack and everyday riding. There's a lot to learn about this bike, but before we get into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more daily motorcycle news and reviews. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about the new 2020 Ducati Panigale V2, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily motorcycle content, and definitely check out my online store where you could buy some cool motorcycle accessories and apparel. Also, if you like motorcycle commercials, be sure to stick around to the end of this video and watch the official commercial for the new 2020 Ducati Panigale V2. It's an awesome video, and it's something you definitely don't want to miss. Alright, so yeah, let's get right back into it. The new Panigale V2 comes available in the classic Ducati red color scheme, complemented with blacked out wheels. It weighs 200 kilograms and has a compact wheelbase of 56.5 inches. This bike has a seat height of 33.1 inches and a ground clearance of 146 millimeters. The Panigale V2 has a fuel tank capacity of 4.5 gallons and a fuel economy of approximately 47 miles per gallon. The new Panigale V2 is powered by a 955cc liquid-cooled Super Quadro engine that complies with Euro 5 emission standards. Its twin-cylinder engine produces 155 horsepower and 104 Nm of torque, and comes mated to a 6-speed transmission gearbox with a quick shifter. This bike delivers power smoothly on the road while also remaining forceful and always under control on the racetrack. Suspension on this bike is handled by fully adjustable 43mm Showa big piston forks at the front, and at the back is a fully adjustable Sachs monoshock with an aluminum-sided swing arm. The Panigale V2 sits on 17-inch 5-spoked wheels with the latest Pirelli Diablo Rosso Corsa 2 tires for agile handling. The braking system is handled by two 320mm discs at the front with Brembo monoblock 4-piston calipers and cornering ABS as well. The back features a single 245mm disc that's gripped by a single Brembo caliper. The Panigale V2 receives a full suite of electronic rider aids, accessed through a Bluetooth-enabled 4.3-inch full-color TFT dashboard. This bike features a 6-axis IMU that helps facilitate many other functions, such as traction control, wheelie control, engine brake control, ABS, and 3 riding modes, which are race, sport, and street. The Ducati multimedia system offers access to incoming calls, music playback, and you can even send and receive text messages. Other exciting additions to the new Panigale include a double-layer fairing design, new air intakes, LED lighting all around, and a redesigned seat for improved riding comfort. The new 2020 Ducati Panigale V2 is a compact sport bike that's extremely gorgeous and super sporty. This bike is sure to dominate the racetrack and get a lot of admiring looks everywhere you ride. The V2 is the perfect bike to introduce young riders to the sport bike lineup of Ducati motorcycles. So yeah, that's about it for the new 2020 Ducati Panigale V2. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the bike. Do you like the new style and design? Do you think this bike is too expensive? Are you a fan of Ducati motorcycles? Let me know your thoughts down below. I respond to every comment, so definitely let me know down below in the comment section. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more daily motorcycle news and reviews. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily motorcycle content. Alright, that's it for now, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.
CZAR KAISER.